If x minus y squared is 40 and half xy is 5, find the value of x squared plus y squared. So how are these items linked to each other? This, and this. How are they linked to each other? They are linked to each other via the expansion formula. X minus y squared, which is x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Okay, so in all of these things, I know the values of x minus y squared. I know this. I also know xy, some indications there in this part here. And I just need to find x squared plus y squared. Okay, so x minus y whole thing squared is 40. Yeah? We can replace it with 40. X squared minus 2 times xy. Now we know that half xy is 5, which means that x times y is 5 times 2, which is 10. Alright, so this is 10 plus y squared. So x squared plus y squared minus 20, and this will be 40. So bring the negative 20 over, guys. So this goes over here. 40 plus 20 is equals to x squared plus y squared. Therefore, therefore, x squared plus y squared is 60, and we are done with this particular practice.